Children, now today we are going to learn our chapter number 12 in maths, days and months. So let's begin here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. Which is the day today? Can you tell me which day is today? You can circle here which day is today. Now we have 7 days in a week. So first day of our week is Monday. We start our first day from Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So here you have to match column A with column B. So first day is your Monday. Second day is your Tuesday. Third day is your Wednesday. Fourth day is your Thursday. Fifth day is your Friday. Sixth day is your Saturday. And the last day of your week is Sunday. Now here you have to tell the days which comes before, after and between. Wednesday comes just after Tuesday or Thursday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Sunday comes just before Monday or Tuesday. Sunday comes just before Monday. The day that comes between Tuesday and Thursday is Wednesday or Friday. Which day comes between Tuesday or Thursday? Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday. Saturday comes just after Sunday or Friday. Saturday comes just after the Friday. Now, month of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now January is the first month of the year. So which year is going on now? 2021. 2021 is going on. December is the last month of the year. All the months do not have the same number of days. All the months have different number of days. Now you can see here, we can find out the days of the month with our hands also. This is the knuckle method. The month of the knuckles have 31 days and those in the gaps have 30 days except February. You can see here the knuckles have 31 days and the gaps between it has 30 days except February. February has only 28 days, but every 4 years February has 29 days. Such a year is called a leap year. In leap years we have 29 days. After every 4 years we have a leap year of 29 days and February is of 28 days. Now match the month in the order of appearance in a year. First month is January. 6th month is June. 10th month is October. 9th month is September. Same way we will solve here the before, after and between the months. July, yes or no? You have to answer in yes or no. July comes just after, before August. Yes. July comes before August. September comes just after October. No. September comes before October. It's wrong answer. Yes and no. December comes between November and February. No. December comes between November and January. It's wrong. March comes just before May. No, it's wrong. March comes before April. Now fill in the blanks to write the names of the month. You have to learn all the spellings of the days and month. Here you have to complete the name of the month. This is January, March, August, November. Now here, mark your birthday on the given calendar. You have to mark your birthday on the given calendar. Color all the Saturday and Sundays of 2020. You have to color all the Saturdays and Sunday. You can see here week names are written here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. You have to color all the Saturdays and Sundays. Find the last day of the year, circle it. You have to find the last day of the year and circle it. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.